Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. And friends, Capgemini has again started with on-campus hiring for 2026 batch. So here you can see the Superset, and this link will be given by your TPO. Okay, so this is for the specific colleges, and also this hiring is for particular gender. We will talk about that. So Capgemini invites you to Superset to apply for its software engineer Capgemini Accelerate 2025-2026 position. Complete the registration and apply 14th of January, Makkar Sakranti, 11:59 p.m. Application deadline closes in 11 days. Register now. Okay, so I'll give you the complete details, friends, the overviews, and what all things will be asked, how to prepare, complete details you will be getting. But before that, friends, I wanted to tell you, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe, because all the hiring videos, preparation videos, right, everything you will be getting it on our channel, right? So Accenture hiring, Accenture mass hiring alert, okay, so TCS interview preparation, any hirings, okay, here Infosys SPDSC role preparation, so each and everything you will be getting it on our channel. So please do subscribe and like the video for the effort which we are putting, the genuine effort for all of you. Okay, fine. So Capgemini is telling, bhaiya, the hiring process overview. So first, communication round, technical assessment, coding assessment, gamified round, and interview, right? So gamified round, in Cognizant also they ask gamified round, Capgemini also they ask, Accenture also they ask gamified round, but that is little different, and here it is little different. Okay, communication round, technical assessment, coding assessment. Okay, now they are telling the email outlines our diverse offering, the process and the specific guidelines for all profiles. Please review the details thoroughly and make sure to inform your student about this update. Only female students are eligible to apply. Friends, in many colleges, they are, asking male and female both to apply. And in many colleges, they are asking only female to apply, right? Like how Accenture had done last year, by sirf females ko le lo. Now Capgemini is also doing to fill the diversity gap. So females has opportunity this time. Please don't miss it, right? So you see Accenture is not doing diversity hiring, but Capgemini is doing. So please be serious, and it's easy for you to get a job in Capgemini. Registration start date 2nd of January, end date 14th of January, and English assessment test, okay, so that is communication test, will be 17th of January 2026. Technical assessment schedule virtual process 24th of January 2026. Clear? Okay, they have given the dates also. They are hiring for 3 different role. Okay, so analyst 4.25 LPA, 4 LPA plus 25K one-time bonus, and then the other profile analyst star 5.75 lakhs, 5.5 LPA plus 25 one-time bonus, and senior analyst 7.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, now, and this email outlines, okay, this we already read. This year, our hiring process will be conducted in hybrid mode, virtual and on campus. So there will be some rounds which will be from your home, and some rounds which will be happening in the colleges. So if we'll talk about, virtual, then definitely English assessment, they will be doing it from where? Arey bhai, they will be doing it from home, and others like, they will be doing it from college on campus. And for Capgemini, the first round is registration plus screening. So registration plus screening means you will do the registration, right? Okay, from Superset, and then the resume we will try to upload. And that link will be in the description. Friends, for 2026 batch, we have the exclusive WhatsApp group. So please do join the WhatsApp group for 2026 exclusive WhatsApp group. Don't miss that. Even Telegram group is also there. there you will be getting updates only with respect to 2026 batch hiring. Okay, so resume is important. We will be also sharing the resume link so that you make the proper resume and then you will be able to apply, because here if you fail you will not be able to attend the other rounds. Then English assessment. So English assessment is nothing but your communication round. Technical assessment, friends, we will talk in detail. So basically 40 MCQs will be there based on DBMS, data structure, right? So networking, we will see. Coding assessment will be there. And then cognitive assessment, this is nothing but your gaming round. And then there'll be technical interview. And after that, you will be getting letter of intent. Okay, that will be there. Now, so friends, the main concern for the students right now, see, as I said, each and every opportunity you have to take it very, very seriously. If you lose the opportunity, everything is gone. You see, after your exam, you will be only able to regret, nothing else. And that is the reason we launched Capgemini crash course specifically for the 2026 batch. Okay, and see, if you'll see the content, friends, everything is there. Everything means everything. See, recorded Capgemini online test new pattern, data structure, technical MCQs, right? Essay writing, so verbal ability. So in Capgemini, what they do, so there will be a communication round, but for some of the student, they are also asking the essay writing. So that is the reason we have also kept game-based aptitude, Capgemini coding, and English communication, right? So English communication means your communication round. That also we will discuss what is there. So each and everything is there here. And the course price is also very much low, 709. And in technical MCQ, there will be, if you go inside this, pseudocode will be there, right? So Capgemini exam screenshots, Capgemini previous year PDF plus videos, live classes recording, right? Capgemini communication assessment, Capgemini email writing, okay? Capgemini listening skill video, communication round, Capgemini, okay? So you see, lot of content was added later, okay? And if you go inside this technical content, right? So you will be also having this pseudo codes, right? So Capgemini pseudo codes alone, 40 videos are there. Then networking, there are videos are there, right? So DBMS also you will be having videos, right? Data structure also you will be having videos. So see, database concepts are there, right? So we have covered lot of things, man. So you do not have to lot of things, omen, okay, not men, okay? So get this right now. This is not a big amount. And again, we will be also adding some more content for you. Please don't worry about it. Correct? Okay. Now let us see. So this is your, this is going to be your exam pattern. See, I know many of the students, they, after the exam, they come back, sir, I did not clear this. And see, because you think that 700 rupees is a big amount. In college, you have given 10 to 15 lakhs and college never prepared you for all those things, right? And whatever you have studied, you know how much you are going to use it. See, that's, I am telling, but the decision is totally up to you. You might think that sir is doing promotion, so please ignore it. But if you are serious, then only you go and buy. Okay. English assessment. The English or communication module, assessing listening, speaking, reading and writing is the first round of the assessment, which will be virtual in nature. Right, I said you earlier. So this communication round will be virtual in nature, assessing listening, speaking, reading and writing in the first round. So I will tell you what is that. So here Capgemini latest exam pattern, round 1. So I have discussed, right? So if you want the complete pattern come in detail, then you please mention that. You please write in the comment all rounds. So you please mention in the comments all rounds. Then I will make another video. So here I am going to make the video which all round you mention. Okay. And then in the next one, I will come up with all the, from technical assessment, from English assessment, everything, right? Technical assessment consists of data structure, algorithm, fundamentals of database, that is DBMS, cloud and networking. For role specific to your streams, technical assessment would comprise of stream specific topics. Okay. For role specific to your stream, technical assessment would comprise of stream specific topics also. Coding assessment. The coding assessment include questions or scenarios for coding with options in either C, C++ and Java languages. Candidate can choose the language of choice for coding. So C, C++ and Java. Cognitive assessment includes a game-based approach to assess various competency like logical thinking, decision making, problem solving, to name a few. So friends, your like deductive laws, I will tell you. So what kind of game based will be there? So there'll be one memory pattern will be there. So like suppose you have lot of these dots are there. So suppose in the first one this is filled, this is filled. So next slide when you go, so you should remember which one is filled. Then there'll be matrix based will be there. So 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4. Okay, so here suppose x plus, so one symbol you can use in only one line. So this kind of game based will be there. If you search on YouTube Capgemini or Cognizant game based videos, then you will be able to see online study for you videos. Okay, so fine, that is also done. And then adapt essential is a behavioral insight module designed to provide critical trails analysis. So this we have to see what exactly is this. Okay, and then a student who clear all the rounds will be invited for a technical round of interview. Okay, now again if you go back and see, so what is there in the first round? Okay, round 1, that is English communication round. This assessment contains 20, and this basically was asked for the 2026 batch itself. So 2026 batch itself, this was asked, okay, in Capgemini exam, okay, where male and female both were eligible. So this assessment consists 28 questions and 60 minutes across the following sections. Grammar and sentence correction, 10 questions will be there. Okay, so 10 questions based on the grammar. Business communication writing, so 2 questions. So business communication writing is nothing but your kind of like email writing. Okay, that's what you were able to see the in this course, right? So here you see this particular email writing videos, right? So if you Capgemini listening skills video, email writing, communication assessment, so these videos if you'll see, you will be able to understand. Okay, now let's go here. Okay, and then task. Okay, so here task, situational awareness and response, chat, email, 6 questions. Workplace reading comprehension, 4 questions. Workplace listening comprehension, 4 questions. Okay, so reading and listening, and spoken communication simulation, 2 questions. So for each prompt, the maximum allowed recording time will be shown before the questions begins. You may sort respect. Okay, your answers must include at least 60 by 120 spoken words to be evaluated. Total time you will have 60 minutes to complete the assessment, right? So friends, once you write all rounds, then I will understand that you need the next video where I will be elaborating each and everything, like what is there in grammar and sentence, what is there in business communication, what is there in task communication, workplace communication, all those things we will be elaborating, and then we will be making one video. Okay friends, once again I'm telling you, so get this course, more content will be definitely added before your examination. Okay, and trust me, you will never regret after buying this course. Thank you, take care, all the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video, and don't forget to like us.